Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried scaling up images to use them for your websites or to print them for large scale? If you have tried, you would have definitely noticed the image loses its quality or the image shows up pixels when you try to zoom it over a particular size. When you resize the image over 100%, you lose the quality on the image. So these images are your scalar images, also called as the raster images. And a very powerful image editing tool is Adobe Photoshop. We have another set of image, the other kind of image, which is your vector image, which doesn't lose your quality even when you zoom the image to any size you need. Irrespective of the size you zoom them into, you don't have any quality loss in the image. These are called as vector graphics, and a tool of one such as Adobe Illustrator. However, there is a way to scale your scalar images to at least 200% in size without losing the quality. I'll show you a quick way to do that. We have a tool for that. Open up alienskin.com. This is a very famous company which makes a lot of Adobe plugins. And open up a software named, a plugin named Blowup. This plugin helps you to scale an image to at least 200% in size without losing the quality. So these guys are like very famous for plugins, and this is a very famous tool, and this helps you to blow up your images without losing the quality. If you don't believe it, I'll show you a way how it works. This works with your Photoshop as well as your Lightroom, and it works with the proprietary tool of AlienSkin itself. They have their own tool, Exposure X. It works on that as well. Open up Photoshop and take, for example, I'll open up a demo picture. Say for example, this image I'll choose. The image is now in 66%. Zoom it to 100% view. This is the actual size of this image. The image has got a resolution of let me show in pixels, 1000 pixels, 1019 is the pixel size, and the height is 1500. Say for example, we'll make it like this. Now I go to filters. I have this blow up 3 there. Click on this. The plugin opens up. Now you can see the document size. It shows as virginal size. I just have to take the option from here as percentage, make it to 200%. Just do this, and now you could see that the image has increased in height from 1500 pixel to 3000 pixels, and you can play around these grains values, the sharpening values and stuff till you're satisfied. And if you happen to just notice it now, you can see it very clearly in the place where you have your eye. So I can show you the before and after view. This is you could see here in the eye. You could see the blurriness in this area. When I just scroll it down, you could see that it is becoming sharper. And just press OK. And your image has now got resized. This is the resized image size. Earlier it was 100%. Now it is 200% the size, yet I am retaining the same image quality. See here, it's in 3000 pixels, yet I am able to retain the quality. With this, you'll be able to blow up into as many sizes you need, like the width and the height of it. Almost 400% you will be able to scale them, so you can use them for large scale prints. It also supports CMYK, and it's very powerful and very useful. Let's try it in another image. Say for example, I'll try to take a picture like this. So this image is let me crop the unwanted areas. Say for example, this is my image, and this is my 100%. The image measures about let me round it off to 1800 pixels in height. So this is my image. Now open up the filter and take the option as percentage. You also have various sizes for photographic sizes and the international paper size, including the Japanese paper size as well. You can try up different sizes here if you have any preset. If you have any video format, then you can take them from here as well. But the widely used one isn't just scaling up the image, basically blowing up. Go to percentage, take 200% size. You can sharpen and you can try around these values. Press OK. Now there's the same image which just got zoomed, but this time it is twice the size without the loss of quality, 3600 pixels in height. So this is a very powerful tool. This retails at I think $79, I guess. No, it's for the exposure plugin. If you wanted to try, it is available for a free trial as well. You can try a free trial of this application before buying it. The application retails at $79. Yeah, here it is for $79, and it supports Lightroom, Photoshop, and the Exposure X from Alien Skin itself. So if at all you have any requirements of scaling up your images, do check out this application. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.